Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is very different, but I wanted to do more stuff that's not just hair stuff. So I basically got this hydroponic garden, I hope I'm saying it correctly, from Amazon because I really like plants, but I don't have my house yet. So I'm just doing something that I can do inside and it's not like too much, and it also like self waters because I'll be forgetting and I'll be busy, so it's just like a nice little compromise. So anyways, I'm just going to be unboxing and setting it up. So yeah. So when I got it, I was like, this is really light. And I'm like, I hope it has what it's supposed to have because I thought it would be like a little bit heavier, but let's just keep going. So it looks like this. So this is what I got. You just plug it and then you put the water, you put your seeds, and that's it. So I was like, okay, yeah, definitely. So let's just open that. It has their customer service number, very nice, and the instructions, and also how to plant the seeds and the power. So how this works is like you can pick the amount of light that you want to give to your plants, like either 14 hours or 12 hours or 16 hours and all of that. So that's pretty much what that is. All right, so that's how it looks. Like I said, it's really light. I really thought it was going to be a lot more heavy, but yeah, it's really light. So yeah, it comes with the plug adapter, the nutrients for the soil, the little basket, all of that. Has that all right here. Okay. All right. So you have to add water, add the nutrients, plug it, and then add your seeds, and then have your thing. But I'm still trying to figure out how to. Is there more stuff in here? Okay, so everything is in this. So it says press one hand down. Oh. Okay. All right. There's like these little tapes here. So I'm just going to take them out and then open it up and do that. All right. So once I took off the tapes that was like on the side, pretty much removable. And then this is the, I don't know what this is. What is number 6? It's just a rod. All right. These are the little baskets to put the soil and stuff in there. Well, and this is sponges. All right. Not sure what this is or this. Okay. All right, so this is one box. So this is the plug. Thank God for that, because what I was not going to do is put batteries on this thing, because why did I get this for, you know? All right, so I'm just going to plug that in. All right, we'll leave that for later. And then this is another box. And in this box is the plant food. Looks like this. And this is also plant food. So there's an A and then there's a B. All right, so for this, it says to add water and it says to add tap or distilled water. Don't use well or softened water. Okay. All right. So, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to plug it before or after I add the water. Okay, so step 3 is plugging it in. So let me add the water. So I added all the water, and you can't see, but there's like a little sign right here that tells you like the minimum and the maximum water level. So that's really, really helpful. So the next step is to add the nutrients. So it says fill bottle A with room temperature water and then shake, and then the same thing for bottle B. So, all right. Inside is just like these little, white beads. Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for A, because I did B first. And then B is like really, really big. Sorry, A is really, really big, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna put the water in this one. It says to add 25 milliliters from bottle A and also bottle B for every 5 liters. So the little cap, it comes with the measurements on it. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. So it helps that I didn't fill it all the way up to the 5-liter line, because I had to add this stuff anyways. So if you're gonna get this, don't fill it all the way up so that you have room when you're gonna add the nutrients and stuff like that. So step 3 is to plug it in, and it says do not plug without water in the tank. You're gonna hear a beep after plugging in to let you know that the light panel can be controlled. So it's a good thing we didn't do that. Okay, so the seeds don't come with the kit, but I went and got my seeds at Home Depot because I live really close, but you can get seeds from anywhere, everywhere. You could even like use seeds that you use to like cook. Like if you have pepper, take the little seeds and then plant those. Things like that. So there's certain things that are going to do well with this type of gardening. So I try to stay like towards those things. So I got okra, parsley, cilantro, tomato, and lettuce. And cilantro and parsley I use like all the time. So I wanted to get these, and I know that they're really easy to grow. As well as tomato, and I wanted to try lettuce because I'm not really a lettuce person, as you can tell. So I'm really trying to like try to like incorporate those things more. And I love me some okra, you know, because I'm Caribbean and we do that. So now I'm just going to use the baskets and do the planting. And it has a little sign that says happy gardening. Hold on. So it also comes with covers for the little seed thing for the basket. So it comes with covers, and it comes with these, I'm going to assume, for labels, just so that you can see like which is which. Especially with like certain things you won't be able to know. Like let's say for example you have like 5 different types of lettuces, you know, you just gotta know which is which. And I also forgot to mention, I got this one and it has 2, 4, 6, and 7. So this has like 7 little things in there. So you can plant like 7 different things. So just to get you an idea. And I think I paid 60 or like 75 for it. I'm gonna put the link down here in my description box so that you can see it. There's also many other options on Amazon. Like you don't have to get this exact one, just you know, so you can have an idea. I did like 2 just so I can get the hang of it. So basically it says to add 3 to 4 seeds, so you can get like, you know, some good germination. That's what it says. So that's what I'm gonna do. Obviously with smaller seeds you might get carried away because it happens. So I'm gonna take the little sponge here and I'm gonna add some of the parsley seeds in there. Wow, these seeds are so small. It's definitely gonna be more than 4, but I'm sure it's not gonna be a big deal. So once you put it in the sponge, put it in the basket, and then you put it in the water. I'm gonna put this one over here, and then you put the cover on top of it. So then, once I put the cover, I'm going to write, I have a pencil because I can't find a pen. I'm gonna write parsley, so I know this is parsley. Okay, I'm gonna put it back here. Okay, I don't want them to be like too close to each other, which is why I only have 5 so that there's 2 extra space, because I know the tomato, like once it's growing, it'll be, you know, all everywhere. So, all right, so once I added the seeds, I'm gonna put it in the basket, and then I'm going to put a cover. I'm gonna put this one a little bit further away from the cilantro. I'm gonna put it right here, put the cover on it, and then the name tag. All right, so last but not least is the lettuce, and I'm gonna put that in the front right here, only because I really want to see, you know, how that one will do. All right, so I pretty much finished planting all the ones that I wanted to plant. So I have tomato, cilantro, lettuce, okra, and parsley. I do have 2 empty spots, but I just wanted to, you know, give everybody some room to breathe so that it's not too much. And I do have 2 baskets and 2 of the little name tags left. So I'm just gonna put them because they give extra of the sponge. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Okay, so the power button is just the 3 things here that just tells you like the amount of time that you want the light on for. So, oh, okay. I'm just gonna do the one that's so you can do 14, 12, or 16. So I'm gonna do the 14 just for normal because I don't want them to be like extra. Like I want it to be just normal, regular growth. Do you, boo boo? And that's pretty much that. The light is a lot brighter than I thought it would be. Like, look at this. It's really, really bright. I'm going to push it back a little bit. Yeah, the light is a lot more bright than I thought, but I guess that's pretty good. So that just says that the light will be on for 14 hours a day. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not really sure what these are for because I didn't really use them, but I'm gonna put them to the side. I'm gonna save that as well as this because I don't want to just, you know, mess something up or anything, because I'm gonna throw the whole box away, but I'm just gonna keep this and have that here. So like I said, you know, it's gonna be on for 14 hours. The light is a lot brighter than I thought. However, it's also very quiet. If you have a fish tank, it's kind of like that. Like you don't really hear it, but you kind of hear it if you're like trying to hear it, sort of thing. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to be coming back with an update like in about a month or like a few weeks if I do see like a little bit of thing like coming out or anything. However, like I do know from the videos that I've watched, once you see that like it starts to grow a little bit, then you would take off the little covers. But in the meantime, until it starts to sprout, you leave the covers on there. So that is pretty much it for this video. I wanted to try something new and I want to share with you guys because like I said, like I'm trying to do more than just the regular hair stuff. So that is pretty much it for this video today. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.